GoDaddy email setup. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can basically set up an email in your GoDaddy account. So firstly, open up your GoDaddy account, go to the dashboard, then scroll down till the very end, and now from over here you guys are gonna basically see your emails. So to get a brand new email, what you guys need to do is that you guys just have to come on to email.godaddy.com, and then after that it's gonna ask you guys to basically sign up or sign in. Once you guys do that, and once you guys actually get the email that you guys want, well then after that I'll show you how it works. So basically you'll have to firstly click on get started over here, and then after that it's gonna ask you for some basic information, and then once you guys give it that basic information, well then you will have your email set up. So I'll do that now. I'm just waiting for the web page to load up in just a few seconds. Now that we have the website loaded up, now from over here simply click on get started, and you will be able to just simply get started by firstly choosing the plan that you guys want. Either if it's for an individual or for the whole team, you guys can get started, and over here you guys can also see all the different features that this particular plan has. So guys, that is how you can get started with GoDaddy email. Simply add to cart any plan, and then after that it's gonna look something like this. Now from over here you guys can basically have many options to modify this. Then you guys will be able to just simply start using the business email of GoDaddy. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.